So this is pound dollar analysis for Tuesday 26th of June. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we saw a pretty strong move here to the upside from in around at 131. We did see prices trade all the way up towards this 133.04, from which we did find resistance, encounter resistance at the 133.04. Had a brief pullback beneath this 32.81. We did have further sell side momentum taking us pretty close towards that 32.20, an area we previously identified as an area we possibly might find support. So we came within a couple of pips. Let's just see how close we came. We came down within a pip. We came all the way down towards this 32.21, and the actual level is 32.20. So within a pip of that 32.20, I would say pretty much a perfect test, really, from which we have seen a bullish buy side momentum return to the market from this 32.20, bring us up towards this 32.81, and we're currently oscillating in around this 32.81 at present. So if we do see a break and hold of this 32.81, we're looking for a move up towards that 33.04, successful break from which we're then looking for prices to encounter this 400 period moving average sitting around 32.20, but a break from 33.04, the very next horizontal level of note above the 33.04 is a 33.50, possibly 33.68. I wouldn't anticipate prices moving beyond 33.68, but the very next level after if we do successfully navigate the 33.68, would be a move up towards that 34.29 here on the pound against the dollar. If, however, we do see a breakdown from this 32.81, if we're not able to break and hold above the 32.81, possibly looking for a breakdown back towards another test of that 32.20, from which we've previously found support. Breaking from there, we're looking for prices to head down towards this 31.93, and if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, 31.47 may just come into focus here on the pound against the dollar. What we'll do now is we have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how price have been developing. We get scale on here correct, and as we can see here, we have our lows, we have a lower low. We've come into this area of confidence near around 31.47, trade quite a bit below the 31.47, the horizontal level, as well as the 400 period moving average. So there remains a possibility of seeing prices revisiting the 31.47. At the moment, yesterday we had a pretty decent close. We closed quite close to the highs. So we'll look to see if we do see that follow through. But if we do see a breakdown from a daily chart perspective, possibly looking for prices to head down towards that 131 or that 130.93 to retest if we don't find support in around that 31.47 400 period moving average confluence here on the daily chart of the pound against the dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.